I'm saying they don't training.
Okay. Yeah, the omoka 3 months.
A bio.
3 months. Hey, 3 months in paying for the house players in the car. And yet, and non kwa. Say, Dr. Keke Saponadaroma or introduce pro rata. Inti se player be sign my team bia, which saw sign a bia 3 years. Na se team in the case of Obama signing on fee a bia 60,000. 60,000 on function in some in bulk.
So where you know so
3 years no. Na say every year bia me 20,000. By the time I be with 3 years now we no 60,000. There are some players as part of our contract no. Season we nso ayeboy enso no also nka omo pro rata sign on fee ever. Which aka 1 match to the end of the season.
Am I?
Sikana mai. Into 3 months salary and some of the players almost sign on fee omunim se omunya bo media ma game ni we say kim na ye breko ma hwan na akwakoda na courage. Into enra players ni meeting with the management about asemi American wasem ya. Oman shade nya resolution papa bia because omo de sikana na omo pe management so sikana nkuta omo. Nti abotre na oso mo kache players say omo nya abotre. Players na answer da anti ase papa. Nti rich from enra meeting no players no catch omo ho say na e free ne aye Thursday eko enko mu nko training. Ombe boycott to training. Na omo boycott to training na edidim ko weekend na enka even the game against Mediama omo nkobo sempanyimfo enchia omo ka nti that was the resolution enra tama players na kwakoda rich omo sorry no pay unim de ntia has echo training ne Captain Benjamin Asare unse our players in the platform so na captain nti from Mexico obebo ni game o China but o he ni o na yakoso na China rich ena no pay ya of fair players no omo platform so and o catch say on sere omo as the captain of the side no omunya gidie woni mu say oni mpanyimfo be kasa na mpanyimfo ayo masede e dia momo and Benjamin Asare one figure be reach the players respect so much inti eye Benjamin Asare intervention and amen ne has players no eco training and right after the training they went back into a meeting with the management.
Yeah, but no more meeting.
So that is the news from us.
This is becoming one too many. Rich, Nani Ayala, say dear, hitting Sika Fanchai. Now, look to some American boy. Players in the crowd, Bobo. Kindly, we did a park and so Bobo. You just come on, what by yet to back.
Oh, yeah, for more.
Oh, maybe I didn't have
Players no. The main actors of the game. I know you don't know Madabia Mudi was here. I think Fakaniche. But it's serious. Too big.
Yes, but we start with Yamanko for how Dentia Ebasa. Rich House of Focus Togbe is house. Mekacho say Ebesi ne I don't know if Benemuna buy and Noma Ebesi Sandia. Dear Oko any corporate institution, dear friend Empress. Say Mpenyimfo do ma to Juma Diena Nonumpo. Ya momo a certain amount to beer. Omubetimi atro akoyi wo company na account mu na dada asitene mo mo dey run company no rich at has even Empress for 2 Ghana cedis grano the general manager doesn't have the right to do that.
Jimmy Kai the last one about sana we bebe not to go to kwan. Yes. You need to sign to players ka
it is a to be no
man ntimi ntua players
ka on sign ade na on issue ntua the institution has to folk as a separate legal entity doesn't run without him. It is not the best structure. But maybe Ababedu no. And you won't even find to bebre because rich, then he will tell you me as an individual, me a separate legal entity from the club. Say oh push me gidi and then club no should run itself, generate its money to pay the workers. and it's also what time na me be tia then I also nya abotre ma me say one kasa senke ti multimedia rich some multimedia dwumadia ye di na nkasa entimi ntia ye workers ne ka na nka de bia ye ntwe kositum no matua ye ka de a ene etama kositum pe no ko betua ye en untimi nya ne we
adwuma na mo ya fa so bia ma
adwuma na fisika bia ma mo untimi fa ntua mo ho ka de a na wo se me na de bia no me ma musika de tua mo ho ka de a ene twa me I will pay you on my terms. And ultimately, and that is the problem with us for courage.
Young under 17. No, I said 3-1 there, but see, I can say, under 17 of Kona Koso Muruko, no, you're free. But walk up and it's still now, and it does so. Fair, you're free in the Nano, and Chichimuno in the Enra. Yes, South Africa, a Kamian Zamote Kano, a Yabako. A Kobanis are said in the enemy automatically. Or say two teams your group which is group D no. Automatic qualification to the World Cup. A Basano na akoye Ghana and then Algeria yeni na a tie. And you know see yiba kwa. Ono no betimi anya automatic qualification no. At the first team omo betimi Arab Africa and so awo the World Cup. A Basano and Algeria ye bibia ba ba yepe. Now according to the competition rules no. Na yesese kobani say amanye no say group matches ni wie no ye hwe bibia na bibia ayepa the attack no matai no I will say you resorted to a draw of lots and no you throw e bia Ghana na you throw Algeria near the gu adiem ni anumu a ura dijabe adie we pa ye ura Ayala make akwa wosre ni anumu
even at FIFA
ye numu why be you bro oko enti anyi abrante ni koyi ye na minim de ha na ha no se ni oni di o se di o akwa yi Algeria for dey rumbe enti etefo ye ka say AFCON de Ghana ye film but ye will play off anyame adom against Uganda ono so ni group otoso ayemiensa no ye ne bobosi etimi hwade a na chese ye nso no nyame adom World Cup no ye betimi akwakobo because very very unfortunate after beating Azarabika 3-1 in ano AFCON ye film but World Cup in them still na no
Rich, first of all I have something kitwebi ameka or has a focus.
Okay
Monsieur, I think whatever the situations were has a focus. So far as Togbe has assumed responsibility and ownership of the club in terms of the shares now, a very much important whether has a focus in Yeska or Yeska. The onus lies on Omu who are managing and owning the club to find ways to make the club viable so many Yeska players. So almost and truly, and in our labor laws, almost and truly, enough to run the club. They should let the club go. Whether you liquidate it and let other people come and take it, and answer one
liquidation bar.
And answer one beton shares now. Because it's unfair on the players. True, has ain't making enough. It's not making enough money. A lot of sanctions because it's trees can go. And I can understand to be. But if I offer player a bit to say Mauli Waya, on some technical terms on any mushy.
You
understand? This is a Togo China be out our foka. Na our folk can you tell kind of near China and say that Brahas players are. Maybe are not Mauli Wayosu made the hospital here. Maybe the club should find a way, Mr. No mutia boy sneaker. Because in truth, a chain. Because there is no money, right? But at the end of the day, say if that will also go on for a long time, because then can cost twice this season, because for a long time, then I won't pay lasting
because it will affect the result at Baba Park and so.
And it's affecting the human beings, and these human beings have people that die on. But it's disappointing. But I think even at FIFA levels, there is the disciplinary record. Sometimes after say what time goes near to any side.
Disciplinary record. Yellow card, red card.
Exactly. And pay our disciplinary record over there, we could have gone through.
Okay, FIFA,
yeah. Go through based on your disciplinary record. Which two nipa yabo boy near too soon to do. And give me some more match cry. And a penalty shootout.
Say ya book game we must shut one.
But Rich if any yarn ya kofa amayon.
Right.
And you know,
for me,
we had the opportunity. Thank you. You best qualify.
Algeria for now, Kasana, you know, a game we dominated them. And now, I didn't know South Africa from Pomina one good year. And even after the goal, no, and look at the number of chances. You will give me about 36 shots.
Because he had just one goal.
Yes,
to qualify us.
I don't know why we've made it difficult. We are too quality to be out of the AFCON under 17 and be playing the playoff. Look at the team. I don't know what is wrong.
I
like it. Me sure you got it. Hey, it's a lie. You was in careful. Unfinished business. It's in Saturday.
I know who this guy called Abdul Latif. Left no boy 7.
Yeah.
Charlie.
And I pay a boy Ben and Gabi can ask him. Nabi.
Oh, Nabi they say
yeah. That's what ball
Ben up. Oh, Nabi they say Obi follow Kumasi football be anymore. So ko Sakafia.
Gabi was saying Yemfan Kabla squad.
Oh, Nabi have been the captain of the under 17 for 2 different eras. Last time under 17 on a captain. And because of inconsistency, it was higher captain. Now saying the form in the form, but and now to say yes, yeah, captain no Abba. Of course, Sakafia school year wage, on or the Sakafia G Milo games. Eddie Omo another final. It's now be typical Kumasi ni be animal. Say he's a very friend Eto. He's a very good guy. But anyway, I was so impressed with the Latif guy. Unum say na onye starter we team nim ye call AFCON we no but empayfo ni libremu a na o kire mu say no team we was me start and he started super left-footed guy, super guy. There's one guy who is 6 years old, Nyantechi. Super guys in too talented and ogumne nanajimane who say obo interphone mienu as a center backs now. They are too much of the same people, ball playing center backs. Almost said they are aggressive. Inti enra unwea or they I think baffle guy no. Na oni Nyantechi ne boss double pivot. Anyway you baffle na banechi. Baffle is an aggressor. Obem tackle no number be shame. Obe pian. Inti ema balance ni wechi on and for the first time. Na ye flat sa. You could go out be mama na komu. Then the other two ebe fabon then you do the passing. And my team was very good. But again, all the games I have, there are spells we lose concentration, we concede, and there are a lot of chances. So and look at Yao Gavi. 2 passes be a regime for the man. Me and you, get to was a crabby. Oh, no, Bobo now you do any more some as a feeble shot. You need composer. I'm crying about rate. They should be scoring some of these games and kill. So when developing or killer instinct in game, be say not just the AFCON. Obako World Cup, not these small details, and Tina Untimi and Konba. You could clearly see say this is a very good team. And you require a bomb and say Yanko may win. Now at least you have your opportunity to play the playoff. And may need ungrateful to God or the mind. Yem fire focus in the playoff ne so na the target in Tia Morocco say Bako World Cup no emblem man na yem build it on this team. They have a very good team. You build on and no ma be ko year.
Yeah, be alliance no momra na monso mo match ma 3220